Okay, in the last video that we made, we talked about broadcasting and how broadcasting allows two different sprites to communicate to each other. In our video, the girl moved forward, then she broadcast got the ball, and the soccer ball was waiting for that message. And we had a block of code that says when I receive it, then move forward into the goal. Well, this works great. And if the two sprites never touched each other, if they were, let's just say, on opposite sides of the screen talking, this is how we would have to do it. But because the two sprites do actually interact and touch each other, there's a different way that we could have done this. Now, before I go into how to set this up, I'm going to be introducing some new blocks. So I want to show you that at any time, you can click on any block and select Help, and that will bring up a tip window that explains how that block is used. So I'm going to take repeat away from this, and I'm not even going to listen for that broadcasted message. And the girl over here, she's not even going to broadcast it. All she's going to do is move forward. Now, what the ball is going to do, we're going to come over here to sensing, and that does exactly what you would imagine. It senses things around it. And I'm going to drag out this block that says touching. This allows me to recognize whether or not I'm touching another sprite. So I'm going to select girl 3. Notice this will not snap into place. This is only a part of some other block. In this case, I need two new blocks. I need to say when the green flag is clicked, whatever's inside of here do forever. Because forever, we're going to check to see if we're touching girl 3. So I'm going to add what's called a conditional statement. That means if and then. And I'm going to say if I am touching the sprite girl 3, then move forward. So forever check to see if I am touching the object girl 3, and if I am, then move forward. So let's run our code and see what happens. The girl moves forward, she touches the ball moves forward. This is another way to accomplish the exact same thing that broadcasting does if two sprites happen to touch. This is incredibly helpful in lots of different scenarios, especially games where you need something to react if it's touched by something else. This is also really helpful because you can set touching to the mouse pointer. So you can actually start to add in user interactivity. Let me demonstrate that real quickly. Let's restart this. Instead of waiting for the girl, we can just say, hey, if touching the mouse pointer, then the ball moves forward. All right, that's it. Thank you guys.